Hello friends, in this video we will tell you how to create a Facebook page. So let's get started. First, I will open the Facebook app. Now, I will click on the three corners on the top right side. Here, you have to click on the Pages. So friends, here I have an option Create. I will click on it and you must too. Now, you must have to click on Get Started. Here, you have to give related name of your Facebook page. I will enter the name related to the graphic designing, because I am going to create this page about designing. Here, you have to select the category that will help to describe your page in the best way. If you didn't find that category in the below options, then you can search here by name. I am going to search for graphic designing, but you must search the name that related to your page. After that, just click on the Next. Here, if you want to give the name of your city or any area, so you can give it here, even if you do not add any address, so it will have no impact on page. But here, I will add my city address. No, just click on Next to proceed. Here, you have to upload cover photo and profile picture. So, first, I will upload cover photo. So, here I have uploaded the cover photo. Now, I will upload profile picture. Now, just click on Done. So in this step, if you want to connect WhatsApp with your page, so you must have to enter WhatsApp number here. Just enter the verification code here that you received from WhatsApp, and then click on Continue. So friends, your WhatsApp is now connected to your page. Just get back to Continue. To invite all your Facebook friends to your page, just click on this one. Just select all here. And now, click on Send Invites. Now, we will complete some important steps. Here, images are required, but this step has already done before. We will continue next. We have already invited friends. Just click to proceed. We have also done it before. Just move to next step. Click on Get Started. So friends, here you have to add your website. So friends, I have no website, but YouTube channel, so I will put link of my YouTube channel here. So friends, this is my YouTube channel. If you people have not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe it. Now, I'm going to copy my channel link. Now, we'll paste it here. In the second one, you have to enter your page description, but I will do this later. In the third one, you have to add your own contact. But be sure that first, you must select code of your own country. I will select my own country code. Just put your phone number now. In the fourth one, you have to add your email. And these below options are not much important for common pages, so you have to leave it. So here you have to join groups that related to your Facebook page. I will join groups related to designing. Now, join 2 groups. You can join many groups you want. So friends, we have already had complete detail in this step. So now, your page has been created.
So friends, if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching our videos.